Welcome back. Ignore the appearance. I'm obviously getting ready for bed, but I wanted to open this real quick. These real quick. I know what they are. I'm scared. Okay, here we go. Oh, okay. Okay, what's this? Oh, business card. Is it business card? Yes, that's business card. Business card. I'm excited. Can't have the noise. What? Oh, this look nice. And it's the right shade of blue. For those who don't know, blue is my favorite color. Oh, okay. Wait, since I'm already talking about blue. Okay. Yes. First of all, this is so vibrant. Like, look at that. And then we have the logo on the back with the Jamaican flag because it's me, duh. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, this is nice. Could I come down a little bit more from the top, just like smidgen? But this, I'm happy with this. Oh my gosh. Okay, definitely ordering more. But yeah, this is a large blue crew neck. I don't think I have a blue. Oh, I do, but not this shade. Oh, this matches my bag. Anyways, excited about this. So we're just gonna plop this here so y'all can see it. And I've also got a long sleeve shirt, similar but not quite. On the front we have the Jamaican flag logo, and then on the bike we have the regular logo. Yeah, this came down the right amount. Yes, I'm vibing with this. Hold on a second. Oh yeah, we got my cuff sleeves on the sweater. Oh, this makes me so happy. This makes me so happy. Okay, and people in business cards. We said 4G Customs. Yep. I found him on Twitter. Actually followed him for this, and I realized that he was fine. I was like, But the purpose was to get merch eventually, and I finally got my life together and ordered some merch, and I am very satisfied. Okay, so I'm not trying to cut this. The things that are in here. Did I just show you? Let me stop playing. Oh, here we go. Alright. The usual suspects in there. Alright. And oh! Wait, were these? Oh, these are temporary tattoos. Okay, so it's logo with the Jamaican flag because it's me, duh. Wait, I think the other ones I got were the regular logo. Okay, hold on a second. Oh my gosh. So I don't know why I thought I ordered 2 of these temporary tattoos. I didn't remember that I ordered these also. So we got temporary tattoos. So we got the regular logo, we got the Jamaican flag because me. But I'm going to get more with the other flags, of course. I completely if I didn't know how long this is gonna wait for me, Oh man. Okay, yeah, we got, so it's just a Jamaican flag logo and what you call it logo day today because everything is everything, and we just I'm excited. Okay, so anyways, make sure you subscribe to the podcast, listen to all the episodes, check out the unmoldings, buy something on the website, watch some more unboxings, subscribe to the YouTube, all those fun things. And just like everything else we do here at Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, Pointless Unboxings, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unboxing. Bye!